Hi there, my name is Sanook from Midtronics and welcome to this unboxing video of the DCA-8000 Dynamic Diagnostic Charging System. In this video we will give a quick overview about all the components that come inside the box and give a quick explanation about them. There are several combinations that you can order from us, like a DSA without a printer, with a printer. There's a kit version where you can get a wheel card included. But today we are handling the one with an integrated printer. So, without further ado, let's start opening the box. We usually pad them up pretty nicely, but be careful opening up the box. Things might shift around during transportation, so just be careful opening up. We don't want to damage anything. Now, right outside the box you will see a warranty card. You just have to scan the QR code and you can register your DCA to get the warranty for it. Then there is a quick reference guide inside there. This is a quick overview about how the tool works and how you can connect all the cables and everything in there. There is a smaller box that comes inside the box which has all the components. We will get to that later, but let's start off with the DCA itself. And here you have it. The DCA's dimensions are as followed. It has a height of 9.4 inch, a width of 17 inch and a length of 17.8 inch. It also weighs around 48 pounds. As mentioned before, this is a version with an integrated printer. If we go to the back, you'll see the inputs for a charging cable and a power cord. There's also an extra input. Well, I have to remove the cap for that. As you can see over here, there's also an input for an extra accessory, for example, a barcode scanner. Furthermore, you'll see the certification label. And over here is the serial number of the DCA. Some further specification of the DCA are: diagnostic charging with conductance profiling and dynamic charge acceptance. It has deep discharge recovery, fast and safe control charging, cold battery charging up to 500 ampere load, dual temperature sensors and field replaceable cables. Now let's get to the other components. The other components you will find inside this smaller box, and inside of it you will find the charging cable here and a power cord. These are both 10 feet, but you can order a longer version of them, about 16.4 feet if you need more range. Because I have a version with an integrated printer, we will also provide you with 2 extra rolls in case you run out. Some extra accessories you can order from us is a cartwheel where you can move the DCA more freely around. But like I said in the beginning, there is a kit version, so if you are planning to order one, we advise you to order a kit version. An extra accessory you can order from us is a VIN barcode scanner. With the VIN barcode scanner you can scan the VIN code of a car and it will fill in all the information automatically of the battery. This will save you time and it has less room for errors. The adapter of the barcode scanner is magnetic. Whoa, those are some pretty strong magnets. It's pretty handy, especially if you are riding it around. It doesn't fall off easily. Well, it won't fall off. It's that strong. This concludes the unboxing video of the DCA-8000. If you are curious how to connect all the components properly and how the tool works, there is a demonstration video on our channel, or just click over here. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us through our website. We hope this video was useful and we'll see you on the next one. Midtronics. We will get you there. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with everything we do. We hope to see you next week.